Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can be able to achieve this church flyer. So stay with me so that we can be able to achieve this church flyer. This is what we're able to do in this video like this. So please hang on. Let's start. Thank you. Right. How you can be able to design a church flyer making reference to. Let's say for instance you are going to Pinterest like this. Then you write a church flyer and you want church flyer. So for instance, you write this church flyer now, you press enter, and then you see that you you like a design this, for example. You can pick, let it open so that we can pick from here, church flyer. So let it open. From here now you can see that it's trying to load like that. Let it load for a while. Let's see. So at this juncture, you like this design for no reason you want to edit this. Network wahala now. Wow. Hey. So now here you can now say you download this. See, from here you click on download very fast. You will not waste much of your time again. Oh, click on download here. And under this download, it has downloaded at this point. So come to your ChatGPT and then open your ChatGPT. Go back to where you downloaded it. Then you copy, you select it, and then you copy here. And then come to ChatGPT and then paste here. Now you are working with this as reference. So under this reference now you can now write that. Look at let it open. Oh, let's undo, sorry. Let's paste it back. The video is not planned, it's not a planned video. I just want to show you this because so under this you can see the information here. So you want to replicate your church, for instance. So with reference to this, if you have your own image, we'll be using our own image too, so that will work with. So let's come here, close from here. Then now we provide our own image. We'll come to desktop here. I have my own image, church flyer. I think I have a church flyer, yes. Here, and then I want to use this image. So so under here, I'll now start making waves too. So now, please you now write design a church flyer with with reference. This is how you're going to write. With reference to the first image, the first image, and replace the second image. Then you press full stop. These these are the informations on the flyer. First, now you will now come here. See, this it has date, it has venue, and there's its church service, and then the theme you want it to be, and then your church name. So any other thing, ministering priest, who is ministering, you can also adjust. So now come back here. You can now see in quote, you can now write date. See the date. The date is 23rd of August, and then you close it. The next thing is venue. Open a bracket, right? Venue. The venue is Athens Model College. Under this Athens Model College, you close it. The next thing is the time. Open, close. It's time. Under this time, you say 10 a.m. Now, right. Then church name. Dunamis. Some people were saying me I used to use Dunamis so much. So we'll be using um angelic ministries. So this is our prompt. Then we'll now type in enter. The last but not the least, ministry pastor. George. Ministry pastor. George. George Akpa. And then press enter. So from this prompt we have given it, we are expecting that there will be mistakes and then we'll correct to it. These corrections will be like anything you expect. It is not always correct. So let's wait for it to see what this is how it's going. This is the output. So let's wait for it to give us. So now, this is what we have been able to achieve with this. This is a very clean church flyer using AI. And if you are not careful, you will not be able to know the difference between this. That is, you have to be very careful. So now, if you want to make some changes, you can make some changes regarding, let's say you want to change the logo. You can also replace the logo if you have it. So this is it. Look at how clean it is. Let's open it. Then you now download it. After downloading, you can make. If you don't want anything, for example, if you want to change anything from here, you look at how it said describe your edit. From here, if you want to edit it, you can say change the theme. Change the theme. The theme. Change the theme. That's right. Change the theme to. Then you can say healing, healing with the voice of God. Then you click enter like this. Let's see what it's going to offer. Then, if you just want to edit it, but at this juncture, this is very, very okay. So thank you, and please, if you love anything about this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe for more.